what are the chances na matuloy ng November?
I would say malabo na yung November.
Malabo na.
Kasi, ang only chance, kung sakasakali, ang mapagpapasyahan by November ay, sabi natin, jurisdiction. Tagal na kasing issue to eh. May pa to final eh. Jurisdiction, pag merong jurisdiction, edi magdi-default, may issue pa rin na pending. If there is jurisdiction, may issue pa rin ng fit to stand trial ba siya. Okay. Pero kung walang jurisdiction, edi tapos ang kaso. Yung fitness to stand trial ang medyo nagtatagal kasi may expert. Nasa process ngayon yung ICC ng determining the experts, sino ba yung i-appoint natin para magbigay ng opinion sa ICC, sa judges, so that they can decide if he is indeed fit to stand trial. Medyo delayed ang mga uploads. Kaya ako naman medyo, sige, tuloy-tuloy lang. Ibig sabihin, may 1 week delay yung mga uploads or yung pag-public ng mga information. Kaya, malay natin at this point, may na-appoint ng expert. Diba? So next week, chine-check na yan. By next week, nagre-report na, etc.
Ang
Pero
tagal palang
medyo, ako tingin ko mahaba-haba ng konti yung proseso. At ang tansya nga namin, to 2026 na,
next
ang
year
possible.
Tsaka ang tagal ng
na
decision dun sa jurisdiction pa lang.
Oo, May pa eh.
Oo.
So, Pasko.
Next year daw eh,
No.
2026 daw sabi ni
Baka,
Attorney Cody,
pero
sabihin
syempre,
kaya nagsabihin magpapasko doon.
Oo. Magpapasko
Oo.
doon.
Hindi lang si dating Pangulo Duterte, yung family, they go
Right,
there, they visit,
right.
so they would
Oo.
be spending.
Well,
Bakit
sana
sobrang
at
tagal po yung decision ng jurisdiction?
hindi sa matagal eh. Ang problema, sila din eh. In fact, itong interim release, bakit ang tagal din? Kasi, nagrenda sila. Nag-request sila mismo. So, finally na to ng June. Bandang July, sabi nila, can I ask for a deferral of the decision on interim release? Kasi may kailangan pa daw na impormasyon. Eventually, ni-refile niya by August. So, ito na yung inuna ng ICC kasi kumbaga ito yung fresh. Yung jurisdiction, ni-request rin nila na i-postpone yan. Yung jurisdiction. Hindi pa nagpapasya yung ICC, pero ang reasoning nila, meron kasi kaming question na mas mabigat. At ito ay whether or not he is fit to stand trial. So, ako hindi ko masabing yung ICC yung mabagal, kasi sa huli kong alam at sa public records, the defense has a pending request to postpone the decision on jurisdiction.
Okay.
I see.